So good morning everyone, welcome to our channel, and today in this video I'm going to unbox this product which I have ordered from Pharmacy. So please watch this video till last, and if you do like this, do like, share and subscribe. So friends, without wasting our time, let's start the video. So guys, as you all can see that I have ordered this product from Pharmacy, and you can easily order any medicines from Pharmacy. Pharmacy is the best company to order any medicine what doctor prescribed to you, and through Pharmacy the medicines are very low price. So guys, let's start the video. As guys, you all can see this, the packaging is very attractive, and as you all can see, the order date and the invoice dates are mentioned over here, and my name and my whole address is mentioned over here. So now I'm going to open this packaging. Here you all can see, please do not accept if the seal is broken. If the seal is broken, you must not accept the parcel from Pharmacy or any company. So guys, let's open this. So guys, as you all can see, I have ordered few medicines from Pharmacy. First is the Revital woman, that you all can see this, and if you are age 30 plus, you must use this multivitamin daily for your health. And second medicine, I will make a proper review in the next video. So the second product is jumbo pack of parachute coconut oil, which is very good coconut oil for our hair. And the third medicine is Supradine, which is the multivitamin for immunity, and it's built the energy. If you are a 13 plus, then you can use this multivitamin in your diet. You must eat this multivitamin once daily after meal. So these are the medicines what I have ordered from this Pharmacy. So Pharmacy is a very good app. You can order medicines from there. So I hope you will like this video. If you do like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.